Fox News legal analyst Peter Johnson Jr. has represented many different parties from different walks of life during his legal career, but now we've got word that one very jolly bearded guy needs help. Is Father Christmas breaking the law? Santa Claus is the topic.
No, he's not breaking the law, Steve. I met with Santa on Monday, and he's got some concerns. Very happy, looking forward to Christmas Day. You know, there have been times in the past, tough times for Santa. His sanity was questioned back in the 1940s. We all remember that. He won that lawsuit in the New York Supreme Court. Then, of course, later in the 1960s, he was captured by the Martians, and the kids really intervened to set him free.
Forget that.
So I've spoken to Santa Claus about these things, and he wants me to set a few things straight. Not the first time I met him. I met him a few years back, 1998 at the White House. He intends to go back to the White House in 2013 and have some meetings with the president on some critical children issues. A lot of things going on.
Sure.
Big government, big cultural changes in the country. It's affecting Santa Claus in a big way.
Let's talk a little bit about this. You know, we've on this program been talking about how times have changed. You know, historically, the kids leave cookies out for Santa. That could be a problem.
Yeah, and he wants kids to leave the cookies out. He's not paying attention to the Bloomberg sugar laws. He is defying those laws. He will go to court and fight them if necessary. He happens to be cutting back on some of his own caloric intake, but not that night. Kids are going to do what they need to do.
Absolutely. That night, Santa goes all over the planet delivering things. Well, lickety-split speed, and that's a problem.
Some people would say unsafe at any speed. Santa, no, 650 miles per second. He has an exemption. It's a magical exemption in terms of the speed limit. Been some OSHA complaints and some PETA complaints. How is Santa treating the reindeer? How is he treating the elves? He's treating them absolutely great. He's beaten all of the OSHA violations. The PETA lawsuit has been defeated. The reindeers are happy as heck.
What about big labor trying to unionize the elves, Peter Johnson Jr.?
They tried. They lost. There was a vote. One vote. The elf decided to resign.
And Santa versus Obamacare.
No. Exempt. The elves are magically live forever. They don't need health care, and they're not going to pay a dime or the fines. Hooray for Santa Claus. Santa Claus wins. Bigger and better in 2012. 2013, he goes head-to-head with ACLU and PETA. Big time. Hooray for Santa Claus.
And I think that's what they're saying.
My newest favorite plan.
Very nice. All right, Peter. Give your client our best.
I will. I'll be seeing him on Saturday.
Okay. Good. Does he pay by the quarter hour?
Pro bono. I would never charge Santa Claus a dime.
All right, Peter Johnson Jr., thank you very much.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.